I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet. Coffee. Coffee, how's it going? Thank you for the raid. Uh, welcome in. I guess I'll start. How was your stream? How was your stream today? Man, that's a long one. How long do you stream for? Listen, I gotta greet you. Really appreciate it. Not normally anywhere that long. I mean, wait. So you were on for a while when I woke up at like 6 in the morning, and this was the end. That's so long. Um, I did see you switch to playing games. What were you playing? Yeah, feel free to share anything you'd like to share. Drop some links. Uh, hello everybody. Let's start the stream. Virtue, how's it going? Val, thank you for the lurk. Cthulhu, what is up? Just gonna pick up where I left off yesterday, working on this ski resort. Wife wasn't feeling well, turned in early, switched to space engineers, and just sort of didn't stop. Rolled over 12 hours. Wow. Yeah, it's a mega stream. Mega stream. Well, thank you for the raid. Make sure to take care of yourself. Stretch your legs, get some water. I'm doing good, Virtue. I'm doing all right. You normally do 3 to 5 hours? Yeah, wow. Yeah, because I don't know if I've seen you on. Like I think you're usually on, and then while I'm sleeping. Because I was up super early this morning, and you were already going for a while. I just couldn't sleep. Well, that's not good. Why does this happen? I have these object pools spawn. These object pools spawn when I hit play, but sometimes they don't go away. And I gotta manually delete them. This is very strange. Goodbye. My hours are weird for both sleeping and working. I stream sort of whenever. I'm as likely to go live at 9 a.m. as I am 9 p.m. Well, then we must have some overlap. All right, I need to remake this. I just want this to be taller. How can I do this without being destructive? This is not the way. Maybe what I need to do is export this and just make one bespoke mesh. I think that's what I'm going to do. Oh yeah. You threw me off so much that I forgot to introduce myself to the raiders that don't know me. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm working on this cozy game called Alpine Lake. It's an innkeeper life sim game. Welcome in. It's at the hillside of the brothel. Now we're making a ski resort. So next to town, there's going to be this rundown ski resort that you have to fix up and get back, get it up and running again. Slope ref. This is gonna mess up my scene. Do I care? Nah. You can fix it. So this is what I have. All I want to do is make it go farther back in space, which means this has to be... That means I can't have such a tight curvature here. Oh, that's funny. What are these guys? Oh, that's amazing. It brought in all this nonsense I don't need. No, Cthulhu. There is not. Maybe it just means that this needs to be tighter so this can be wider. Maybe that's the secret sauce. I'm going to start by shrinking these down by 0.5. What were these? These are something. 0.2. All right, fine. We'll say 0.4. 0.4, 0.4. 4. So at least they're in the ballpark. Wait, where's the ground plane? Is that the true ground plane? Yeah. You know what I think I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna straight up draw a curve and then deform this by the curve. I think I'm gonna do that. Let's see. So if I take this guy and I duplicate it a couple of times, merge it. And then deform this by the curve. What horrible things are going to happen? Let's see. Deform. Is it a wire deform? I always forget. Curve warp? Is it this one? There it is. Yeah, that's what I figured was going to happen. Is there any way to help this out? It's almost like I need the Yo, Augie, what's up? Whitechapel, how's it going? Chapel, you're live. What are you doing? What are you doing? Pokemon TCG Pocket just released a new pack and the servers are crashing. Oh no. Have a great stream. I'm going to pack it in. Thanks for starting early. Say hey. Go back to your starting screen. Yeah, I still feel a little thrown off. That's kind of funny. Have a good one. I really appreciate the raid. Oh, I'm getting dark. Everyone make sure to go follow Coffee Then Code if you haven't already. There's got to be some kind of offset so I can move it along the curve, right? Keep length, max scale. Okay, so that's to scale it along the curve. That's great. That's to scale it through the curve. This is to twist it. Offset is to move it. Alignment, auto normals. Alignment's fine. This happens every new release. Yeah, I try not to keep track of that game. It looks very addicting. I saw you were starting soon and even warned chat, but I had an ad incoming and so I had to send it. I appreciate it. All right, how about I just do this? Sean McNeil, thank you for the follow. Welcome in, how are you? I'll just adjust the curve to work. This might be fine. Upcoming solo dev, welcome in. Feel free to share whatever you're working on. You're in good company here. All right, forget it. I'm just gonna straight up do this. There, no overlaps. Can you guys merge? Thank you. You can't overlap if you're all one vertice. Vertex. Oh god, if Yag was here. If Yag was here, she would be so mad at me right now. This game is pretty chill. The one game I'm avoiding is Marvel's Rivals. Or Marvel Rivals. That looks like crack cocaine. Yeah, those shooters, they kind of are, aren't they? There's a reason they're free to play. They know how addicting they are. I'm working on an indie game called Flappy Fish. Do you need any wish lists? Always. Who doesn't need wish lists? Feel free to wish list it at your leisure. What the heck? Oh, these are not merged. That's so funny. I didn't merge the vertices, so they're not. I can't select all the edges. Merge. Where you at? Merge. There we go. This is now how I will make this bigger. Actually, you know what? I want to go up and out. I think this is good now. I think this is exactly what I want. Let me just smooth it out a bit. Soften. Done. Oh, wait, and then these. These need to be set vertex normal to 1. Apply. I need a vertex component. Whoops. Shawm or Shaw. I really appreciate it. If you have a link to whatever you're working on, feel free to drop it. All right, this is going to be my new slope bowl. Just going to put it in here. What is this? I forgot. Oh, yeah. Garbage. What do you do when it feels like you're not making any progress? I usually switch the task I'm working on. Like if I feel defeated with gameplay or dialogue or story or art, I just switch to the other thing. And I start fresh with a fresh mindset. And eventually I'll just hit like some kind of stride maybe if I'm lucky. So just work on something different. It's in pre-prototype phase. I'm using Unity. Nice. Me too. Actually, you know what? Before I export this. Yeah. Yeah, I knew these were going to get totally messed up. That's okay. We don't want them anymore. We now have our... Oh, I need a... Do I need a special collider? Maybe. Yo, Sketchy 7-stream streak. What is up? Started a new project? Okay. No, don't start a new project. Just work on a different task. Just switch from... I don't know. Switch from coding your terrain gen to model a character, or I don't know, work on some UI, work on some user interface, or jot some notes down in your design document. Don't just start a new project. Slow bowl. Boom. Why can't I bring it in? Slope bowl. There you are. There you are, you little hooligan. This is cool. Perfect. It's exactly what I want. I just wanted something custom. This looks good. Ani, how's it going? I think I need a terrain mesh shader that's special for the slopes. I'll put this on it for now, but I think I need a special one. Really? Ani, thank you for streaming before my bedtime today and yesterday, of course. I've been getting my tasks done at work super efficiently, getting my stuff done, and so I've been able to start stream like right when work's over, which is nice. I hope to continue that. Unpack. If I ever post a message in the Discord saying, stream's canceled, work is going into overtime, it's usually because of difficult day. Where's the terrain? Where's the terrain? Did I just accidentally delete it? I did. Oh my god. I accidentally deleted the terrain. How did that happen? When I selected this. What is that? Oh, what? It put the mesh filter on my group. That's crazy. That's crazy. It's kind of funny, actually. That's some silly stuff right there. Prefab. Unpack. Thank God. I caught that. Excuse me. You can stream whenever you like. I'm thanking you for the... I mean, no, this is preferred for me. I hate starting late. I like saying goodnight to all the people in those certain nighttime time zones. I won't specifically say which ones. And then I like saying good morning to basically the other side of the world. I like being the transition between night and day. I could just ship it and say it's Minecraft. You could just add some little mechanics to make it a game, and that's it. So what are the things that this needs to function? It doesn't need footsteps. It needs a veggie spawner. I think I could just give it a mesh collider and then say it's a veggie blocker. Maybe? Let me try it. What is a veggie blocker? Forget. It's just a box collider called veggie blocker. Oh, it's got the tag veggie blocker. Okay. That's fine. I will duplicate this. Make this in the veggie blocker tag, and I'll take away the mesh filter. Slur soup. Slur, how's it going? It's been a minute. Duolingo time, eh? All right. Gucci's gonna be mad that they're not here for this. Jugatsu 10月10日は火曜日です。10月10日, the 10th of, what is that, October, is a Tuesday. October 10th is a Tuesday. I'm really bad with the days of the week. And not the days of the week. I'm good with the days of the week. I'm really bad at describing the numbers of the months and the days. It's just another way to count, and can't do it. 10月かかります. Is that true? Yes. No, sorry. 10日かかります. 10日かかります. This pencil is small and cute, isn't it? Or that pencil. その鉛筆は小さくてかわいいですね。You want a small and cute pen. 小さくてかわいいペンが欲しいです。どの店がいいですか? Which store is good? どの店がいいですか? 新しい店に行きませんか? Would you like to go to a new store? Hochkisu. That's one of my favorite words. この小さいホチキスはどうですか? How is this small stapler? Or how about this small stapler? ホチキス. How much is this small and convenient stapler? Lasagna. Pudding. 趣味。釣り。ホチキス。田中先生は最初に来ました。What's 最初? I forget. What happened to the music? 田中先生は最初. What is it? Tanaka sensei came for the first time? Professor Tanaka came first. I don't like that. 一緒にコンサートに行きませんか? Do you want to go to the concert together? 田中先生は最初に来ました。 一緒に行きましょうか行きましょう。Oh no, it's not a question. 一緒に行きましょう。先月はあまり泳ぎませんでした。I went swimming. I didn't go swimming. 先月. Last month? I didn't really go swimming last month. I did not go swimming much last month. I did not swim much last month. I did. What did I put? I not swim. Damn it. I did not swim. 先週はあまり泳げませんでした。先週。先月。Whoops. That's last week. 先月はあまり泳ぎませんでした。先月はあまり泳ぎませんでした。I did not swim much last month. Slur, thank you for making me do that. Not gonna lie, I'm still avoiding design work because I still have PTSD from drawing, but I can't avoid it anymore. Just go slow. Just go slow. I got a real epic clip from Jitspo before he ended. What happened? Oh, you know what I think I need to do is I need a special mesh that is this plus this. Normals reverse. And then duplicate that. Merge these. Slope bowl. Mesh collider. I don't need all these edges actually though. This can just be pulled back. And then actually these can all be deleted also. Just do the same thing. Oh, crap. And I'll merge these like so. Merge. Why won't they merge? What's up with that? Merge. Please? You really gonna make me do this? No. That's not what I wanted. Fine. You're gonna make me do this. I'll check out that clip in a sec. Oh wait, I think I'm an idiot. I think I just didn't have the 20. Yeah, this just wasn't big enough. There we go. Stupid. Okay, here's my collider. Slopes. I wish I could just hit a button that's like re-export to the exact place you exported last time. I should make that. It's not hard. I literally do that at work. I make pipeline tools, but I tend to not make pipeline tools for my own stuff. I don't know why. So this is now the slope bowl mesh collider. And then veggie blocker. Let's see if that works. Yo, Kev. What is up? Petting the hug bug. Let's look at this clip. Oh my god, it's horrifying. Oh my god, it's horrifying. Poor guy. Poor guy. That thing is cursed. And I mean horrifying in a good way. You requested the petting or the monster in general? He gave everyone a single request he would add. I requested petting. Really? That's big. To give everyone a single request. All right. I need to make this nav mesh modifier override not walkable. Okay, that's a good looking nav mesh. Interesting. Yeah, I guess this doesn't need a higher priority. It's literally the only way you can go, so it doesn't need to be this path nav mesh. It's fine. Let me go take a look at this now. I might just start making stuff, like just populating it with assets. The rest of the stream was him interrogating a ball kicking animation for the cultist. Gonna have you tabbed while working on assets and sounds for my game. I appreciate it, Shaw. Thank you for the lurk. Ameripon, how are you? This is cool. I'm digging this. Put some trees here so you can't go that way. And that's it. Doing Fantastidoodle. Got stealth sound mechanics working in my game. Everyone's working on sound today. Excuse me. Is this a new jam project or something else? Side project. Well, that's not correct. Why is it not being blocked by this? Maybe it's too tall. I mean, maybe it's not tall enough. What if I try again? No? Clear. Populate. What's up with that? Convex? I don't know. Cooking options. Everything. Layer overrides. Does it have to be in a certain layer? There's something missing. Veggie. Blocker. It's in the veggie block layer. Got it. It's got to be in the veggie block layer. Whoops. Now, veggie spawn. Populate. There we go. No. There we do not go. Dang it. Really thought I had it that time. Veggie blocker. Provides layer overrides. Include layer. What is this? Everything. Nothing. Provides contacts. Yeah, sure. Why is it not a thing? I mean, all right, so I can at least delete these. But this one I need. Do I? No, I could delete that one. I could delete that one. I can't delete that one. Can't delete that one. I expect nothing less from you, Ameripon. Is this like the Naruto Jiraiya sim? Jiraiya, or what's the sage's name? You ever seen Naruto? Pervy sage. Can't delete that. You never watched it? I love Naruto. Okay, what am I missing? What am I missing? So maybe this needs to be moved down a little. Nope. Maybe it needs to be intersecting in a more significant way. Maybe if it's fully in it, it doesn't hit it. Populate? Oh, what the hell? Oh, it's too low. No. What is happening? What if I just grab a veggie blocker and I bring it right here and I just make it huge and I put it right here. Does that work? Yes. This works. So what's the difference between this, which is just a box collider, in veggie blocker, and this, which is a mesh collider in veggie blocker. I guess mesh colliders just don't work. Am I gonna have to just make a bunch of box colliders? That's annoying. You live in Japan now. You can't be saying it like that. Naruto. I have to say, Naruto? Naruto ga suki desu yo. Watashi no ichiban suki na anime desu yo. Is that better? Better, thank you. Arigato. All right, forget it. I'm just gonna line this with cubes. Can't believe I'm doing this. My Japanese is improving. We were at a restaurant yesterday, and they were speaking English to us because, you know, we're white. But at a certain point in the middle of the meal, they were like, "Do you speak Japanese?" And we were like, tiny bit. And the waiter guy was like, "The chef noticed that your intonation when you say thank you, you know, we were saying a lot of arigato gozaimasu." And he was like, "Your intonation is so good that he thought maybe you spoke Japanese." We felt pretty good after that. We were on a little bit of a high. All right, is this working? Populate. It is working. I guess only box colliders work. So weird. Nihongo, pecha pecha desu? Pecha pecha desu ne. What's pecha pecha? How long have I been learning? My Duolingo streak is 530 days. So 530 days. Peta, peta. Oops. Oops. I always get those confused. Even now as I was looking at it, I'm like, I'm going to get this wrong, aren't I? I always get these ones wrong. If it's a word I recognize, then I don't normally get it wrong. But since I don't know what peta peta is, I couldn't confirm. All right, that looks decent. Man, this wireframe mode has been so useful making the zone. I've never used it. You will get it soon if you haven't already. Japanese people love to say to foreigners who speak in Japanese, "Pera pera." No, I get "jozu desu." Oh, "jozu desu." I get that a lot, and I know they're just being nice. Wait, why is there a little tree there? There should not be. Oh, I guess yeah, there should be. Nihonjin mitai. What's mitai? I feel like that would be offensive if I got it. Oh, mitai is like. Oh, right. There was a lesson. There was a Duolingo lesson that was kept teaching you like this person looks like their grandfather, and never they never like did any refreshers on that lesson. It was just like one and done. So I don't remember that. There's too many trees. I gotta get the trees out of here. I think I'm going to. Hmm. Hmm. I want trees here, but I don't want trees here. I could make a special slopes only veggie spawn. Yeah, I guess I'll do that. So this palette, I want slope palette. Slope palette, which is basically identical. But I don't want the trees. So grass, yeah. Flowers, yeah. Flowers, yeah. Yeah. Pine tree, not. Disable. Maple trees, disable. Ooh, you know what I need? I need a button that's like assign this palette because I'm gonna have to do this manually. Okay, so now I can go veggie spawn, grab areas, get property from the scene, override, populate. There we go. No trees. No trees over there. Beautiful. I might sell this system. Do you think people would pay money for this veggie spawn system? If this game fails, I have a bunch of assets and a couple of systems that I'll put on the asset store for sure. I'm looking forward to that day. I think I need this to be a little different. Let's put all these veggie blockers under the slope so I don't have to remake them. And delete that. I just want to scale it out a little. And move it over. Because I need the gondola station here. Make a big old gondola station right here. For now, I'm just going to use the chairlift as a blocking. That's cool. It's starting to fill out. So I need decorations and little tchotchkes for what goes on the bottom of a ski slope. All I can think of are like chairlift, like fences. Yeah, like these orange mesh fences, which it's not pretty. But that's all that's ever there. There's snow, mesh fences, and tons of people. That's a cool picture. I want a picture of the chairlift, not... Oh, so definitely signs. So I need like signs, like a map. I have the visitor center sign? Oh, what's it called? Visitor center scene. Where is it? There it is. This guy. This guy's good. Trail guide. Copy. Paste. There we go. Remove. I want like a big map of the mountain. This is just a placeholder. I'll make a new sign. And then here I want like some rundown, I want like some rundown sign that's like this way. I hate the entrance to this. Why did I put a wall here? It's like, I want like a grand entrance, not this like random wall. I thought I was being clever by messing with the terrain, but it's just kind of stupid. And then I have to like spend so much. I have to like dedicate so much of the terrain to the wall. Kev, I'm working on this this area, this new ski slope area. Trying to fill it with decorations and stuff. What are you up to? Maybe this one should be like way longer. Oh, it scales nicely. It looks like a 9-sliced model. Slow morning, eating breakfast, and replying to people. Nice. How's your devlog video doing? Some kind of other sign here, maybe? Keeps getting views, not sure as much, or sure not as much, but it keeps growing, which is nice. Yeah, that's good. When it keeps growing every single day, it means the algorithm is working. This is dumb. This is dumb. Why is it so hard to find a good picture? Yeah, there's fences. Maybe a broken down Zamboni. The problem is there's a lot of machinery that's required. I really want to add machinery. We're just going to go sans machinery. That's just, yeah, just those mesh plastic fences. Oh, there's some guardrails. That's right. When you're lining up, there's guardrails. Maybe I'll design that later. But that's a good idea. Yeah, maybe I'll just work on the building. Some benches, that's good. Oh, that's a ski lift turned into a bench. Picnic tables, yeah. We'll add some picnic tables. Back to the visitor center. Yeah, this scene's definitely too big. All right, I'm gonna shrink it. I'm gonna shrink it. So this needs to move back. One, two, three. Delete that. Delete this. Hide gizmos. Clear. Torgus, how's it going? How are ya? Should I get rid of these stupid cliffs? Keeter, how's it going? Curly Games, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. How are you? Your tile map level design looks like a puzzle game. Yeah, it is. It is kind of like a puzzle. I'm like, all right, how do I push this cliff back and compress the space with the tiles that I have? This has to be 2 in length. I'm like, it's literally a puzzle. I think what I got to do is I got to make you just go up this cliff here so I can compress all the space without worrying so much about it. What's the best way to do that? It's a big change. It means Arc 6. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. All right, I know what it means. I know what it means. We're gonna do this, this. Drop it down. We're gonna drop it down. Move it here. And then this. Move back. And then maybe there's 2 paths. You go up or you go down. Maybe you can just go around. People skiing on the grass? Yeah, sometimes. Listen, there's seasons here. Wait, don't do this yet. I'm not ready for that yet. So this and this and this and this. Move it up. Move all this up. Move this down here. Move this over here for now. Just get out of the way. Leth, how are you? Hydrate. Thank you for the hydrate. All right, you know what? I'm going to go back to what it was, which was here. Menacing methods. How's it going? How often do you find yourself having to do complex math when you code? Not often. Not often at all. I'm not making a game that requires a lot of math. Yeah, pretty rarely. I feel like all I did was make this bigger. That's ridiculous. No, it's more streamlined. It's definitely more streamlined. How's this? And then this sign can conveniently go here. It's a little too big. Whatever that sign is, I'm not sure what it's going to be yet. Cover up that. This whole thing needs to be moved down 1 unit. Like so. Okay, is this better? Did I make it better? What I did was I compressed this little area, which is good. That's what I wanted to do. Yes, let's say success. And then you can go this way, maybe? Or should I connect these two? Maybe I'll connect these two just for fun. So you have to go up and down. Are these even connectable? I wonder. Oh, I think they are. That would be very convenient. Please, 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 please. No, they're off by 1. Are you kidding? Maybe instead of moving it, maybe I'll compress it this way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then connect these. That doesn't work. That looks really stupid. Let's have to get rid of that. And that lines up perfectly. Nice. And then we don't need this. Perfect. Perfect. Turkus. Thank you. Shout out to Turgus. I don't know why I'm rewarding that kind of behavior. Just can't help myself. This is kind of interesting now. What am I going to do about this? What am I going to do with this? All this space. So we immediately go up and we are met with this sign that's like ski resort. Oh, cool. We go along this path. We see a building. Will the train be going through here through here anywhere? No. The train only goes to the train station in that one zone. Because they're all busy working in the mine? No. It's going to be like, I told you, it's like Children of Men. This is a spiritual successor to Children of Men, where no one's been born in the last 17 years. And that's just how it is. I mean, I guess I'll put something down here just for fun. There'll be no reason for it, but put a secret blueprint or something. Children are banned. They're not banned. They just don't exist for some reason. Nobody knows why. Okay, am I done here? Do I have enough? It's the new playable area. So what did I accomplish? The thing I accomplished is this is one less unit wide. And there's not like a cliff that you have to scale north that to reveal the ski area. You can just kind of see it. I'm going to put trees here so you can't go farther that way. So we're basically going to start right here. I'm going to start right here. Immediately go up. All right, I think it's okay. That's annoying. Fixed. What is that second emote? Oh, another turtle. All right. How's this? Veggie spawn. Populate. Cool. I have that emote now? Wait, why? I do have it. Did you just gift it to me? Like, did you literally just gift that to me? Turgus gifted you. Thank you. Is she live right now? Like 30 minutes ago? Yeah, I didn't see it. She's not live. I appreciate it. These are evenly spaced, right? Yeah. So we have a picnic area, and maybe I'll put some like food stalls here. If I put food stalls there, let's see, what would they look like? Cube. Maybe there's one here, like 45, right? And then there's one here. Oh, right. 3, 4, 5, 4, 4. No, you can't have the food stalls in front of the path like that. Doesn't work. They need to be... I mean, it was weird if they're like in the middle of the thing. Let's get rid of that tree. Maybe food stall's not the right thing. Designing a game where the camera faces one direction is interesting. I understand why a lot, like all zones in 2D games, they just cascade upward, you know? It makes total sense. Like, I feel like another game would probably put another cliff here. So the path goes above these. And then these are just like sitting along some kind of cliff. The problem with this in 3D space is like I need to dedicate. I mean, I guess I can model a shorter cliff. It's not the end of the world, but hmm. Well, you don't want them to cover the path. Like if they're here, and the player's running by, the path is covered. You never want to cover a path. I don't mind covering, like open grass, but I can just make the path like cut. Kind of works too. Let's try it. So delete you. So over here. Delete, delete. Then why even have the path go out? I guess these can sit on the path now. These can just sit like this. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. They'll just be like that. Come on. Come on, you can do it. There we go. And this one will sit there. And this one will sit there. Okay, that's kind of cool. Kind of cool. It's not totally cool, but it's kind of cool. Mr. Zombie, good day. How are ya? Mr. Zombie, do you miss Beegs? Oh, where has Beegs gone? I miss Beegs, yeah. I miss Beegs too. Do you think we can summon Beegs? With a shout out? I speak to him every day, so I get my hit? Okay. Like in his Discord? Through the cup and string system I have. Nice. Alright, so these are going to be like little food something. Maybe they're bathrooms? I don't have any bathrooms in town. That means these picnic tables should probably be over here. Next to the food. Perfect. They fit. Lovely. Aaron, what is up? How are ya? I was gray boxing my level and I realized in an entire hospital block I didn't have a single bathroom. Game designers always forgetting those bathrooms. Everyone, shout out to Aaron. Wait, I have to wait 13 seconds. I'm gonna forget. You know I'm gonna forget. Everyone, follow Aaron now. I'm gonna forget. I should work, but I'm playing Wyatt's game too much. All right, I got the email today. I got the email that Small Survivors is released. Everyone, thank you for reminding me. Everyone, go buy Small Survivors. Here it is. Buy it. Looks really good. How is it? It's super cute. Yeah, make sure to follow Small Block Boy also. I forgot to shout you out, Aaron. I went straight to Small Block Boy. I knew I'd forget. It's amazing. All right, what else can go here? Let's build those fences I was gonna build. So, what's a fence look like? Oh, you know what I need? I need Jern's. I need Irish John's fence creator. I wonder if it would work on this weird terrain. It's really fun, nice. All right, I'm gonna give it a whirl later. He deserves it today, yeah. Yeah, release is scary. Don't forget to leave it a review. I'm gonna add it to my cart. I'm gonna view my cart. I'm going to pay. Your purchase has not been completed. Your credit card information has been declined. Why? No. Is it going to send me an email saying, hey, is this a valid purchase? It just goes to show you how often I buy games on Steam that the credit card company doesn't recognize it as a purchase, like a safe purchase. Are you kidding me? Oh, retry your purchase. Let's try this again. Your money's no good here. It's not. Steam support. What? Just no. Just go back to my cart and rebuy it. Don't take them to Steam support. Continue to payment. Do I have other payment methods I can use? Change. I have. What credit card is it trying to use? Do it. Yeah, that's the one. Agree. Purchase. There we go. Phew. Well, maybe if anyone like redeems Rocket League, I'll give them the choice for me to play that too. I should change that to just take a game break. It's funny. I went a long time without getting any random gift subs, and today I got 3 gift subs. Turgus, did you purposefully give me a gift sub? Or was that random? All right, so you won't be able to go through here. That'll be blocked, which is good. Oh, is that? Those are both hers? Ridiculous. Turgers, when's the next game you're gonna make? When are you gonna get back in there? Game number 2. You know what they say? Your 10th game's a hit. You just gotta keep going until you hit 10. All right, that is good. I don't think you'll be able to see past these. Don't think you'll be able to see past that. Oop, 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 oop. I hope that's true. I've been working for 10 years waiting for that overnight success. Kev, you must be on your 10th game by now. Does everybody know Kev? Does everybody know Anderson Kev? Let's give Anderson Kev a shout out before Aaron, because we're going to keep this forgetful train going. And make sure to wishlist paper clay. It's taking shape. It's taking shape. Kind of like it. All right, if we're going to be able to walk here, I need to build this out more. I've worked on 25 games in my career, not including game jams. 2 have been canceled, so the real number should now be 23. Damn. You're due. You are due. the hell? What was sizzling? Something was just sizzling. Weird. Yeah, I see it. What is that? What is that? What are you? Is it the tree? Must have been. What is that tree even doing there? Get out of here. Populate. Why are trees growing down here? Oh, that's why. That's funny. Is this even visible? It is. This does not need to be 16. Let's switch up the music. Yo, Shiny, what's up? How are ya? Shout out to Shiny. I saw your post about wanting to move on from Robot Arena and how you were conflicted by it. I appreciated that. What is your plan? Are you gonna move on to Space Escape 2? Or is it Space Escape or Escape Space? A little overwhelmed, but having fun. How about you? Doing all right. I'm also a little overwhelmed, just a little. I'm enjoying this this process of making new areas. I'm really excited to like get this going, get these animations going, have the player like see it and surprise them with the mini game. Kind of hoping it feels really good. Just designing these zones is fun. Let's see. How are we looking? Ah, I think I want these to be even taller. Do I want this to be even taller? I just want a sweeping cutscene. I want a sweeping cutscene that travels up the mountain. I need a really big ass mountain, don't I? I mean, it's not. I guess it's not a huge deal to just keep pulling the vertices up. Yeah, it's not too big a deal. Boom. Okay, that's got to be tall. Yeah, that's tall enough. Yeah, I'm not gonna want any more than that. We're gonna escape to space. I like the moving the two to the middle. It almost describes a new game. Almost a sequel. Sounds like a prequel. Got the page out and a first private playtest running since yesterday. Things are moving forward quite fast. Yeah, they are. Yo, you're gonna have like 15 games done by the time any of us release one. Jesus. I was just saying in Finn's Fine's stream earlier. Like, because he was like judging me for bullying him to get his just keep going, do a playtest, hit build, let people play it, like go. And he was making fun of me like I'm pressuring people to finish their games. I just want to believe that it's possible. I want to believe that a game can be finished. And basically, there's only a handful of streamers that I've seen finish games firsthand. Like, you're one of them. Tom Millman. I was calling out Tom Millman because he finished his Jam game and released it on Steam. It's freaking hard. Why are these vertices? Why are these normals not correct? Conform. Unlock. Set vertex normal. Apply. There we go. I saw it change. It's got to be right. Don't freeze history. Did that work? Yeah. Smooth. Okay, cool. The best moment in game dev is when you have a couple of people playing it. Yeah, for sure. Feel free to share the page if you want. When you say you got it out, like, is it public or just working on it? I know that looks silly, but just playing with shapes. Okay, cool. Yeah, this is a lot of room to play. I'll be able to have some kind of like some looking up. Maybe instead of stopping it short, I should continue. Oh, yeah, okay. I'll like continue it this way so that there's a threshold. Soften. So now if I look up, it's almost, yeah, you need that shadow there. Nice. Yo, Luke Wolf Games, welcome in. How you doing? Thank you for the raid. Welcome in, Raiders. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. Working on a cozy life sim game called Alpine Lake. What'd you get up to today? How was your stream? That's annoying. Let's do this. We're fighting Bob, the big boss of bugs. I thought you were making a Twin Peaks reference. Love bug hunting. Bug hunting's the best. Do you have anything you want to share? Ooh, gross. What? That was ugly. I know what I need to do. We need to sculpt. Yeah. But we're doing damage to him. Does he have a lot of HP? Completed a whole section of the game ready for release, but more needs to be done before actually publishing. So nothing new at the moment. Now feel free to share whatever you want. He does. Feel free to drop some links. Whatever you want to share is cool. Whoa. What's up with that? Soften. Ah, there we go. We were just about to look at Shiny Games' new Steam page. Escape to Space. Wow, how you whipped this up quick. Oh, you have a trailer too. Yo, Gucci. More like a gameplay video. I mean, still. Very cool. Everyone throw that on your wish list. Oh, right. Luke, I remember playing this. And being a little confused. That was a few months ago, right? You have to like make the other bomb follow you. Wait, continue. I did not mean to click that. Yeah, that's right. You have to like you have to open up the path to get the key. I forget the controls and what you can do. There's like a way to call him, right? Or to speed up. I don't remember. A lolly packet. Oh wait, I still can't get the key. No, he's gonna get me. No. Oh, the beans. That's right. You drop beans to make a trail, and then he goes after the beans. Spacebar. That's right. It's hard. This game's hard. Yeah. Wait, no. Eat my beans. Oh, I just noticed that the eyes kind of turn in the direction that you're that you press. He's upside down. We did it. Wait, oh right. How do you use it? No! I forget. Oh man. All right, everyone give Luke a follow. It's cool. So what I'm working on today is a new area of a new zone. I'm working on a ski slope zone, which is this. That actually, yeah, that helps actually. It breaks up the straight line. It doesn't feel like, it feels like it could be the top of the mountain and not just the end of the polygons. But yeah, I'm working on this area, which is these ski slopes. Gucci, how was you? I'm good. I'm doing great, actually. Is it going to be snow? I mean, it depends on the season. So I'll go there in the game. Yo, 7 stream streak. I guess what it could do is make it so that, and maybe it's a little higher altitude and it's snowy in the spring as well. because that's realistic. Higher altitude towns stay snowy in spring. So now you go to the left of town. Oh, and I forgot to change the zone, but oh, I didn't bake the nav mesh. Damn it. Damn it. I can't. Wait, there's a path. Okay. So yeah, there's this zone. If I make it winter, looks like that. Oh, I didn't add this shader to the slope. Okay, I got to do that. And the snow's very bright. I got to change that. I didn't rebake the nav mesh. It's all messed up. Need to head out, but have a great stream. I'll lurk for the rest. Luke, I appreciate the raid. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day or evening. And welcome in, everybody. It's a little hot right now. It's a little shiny. Ah, that's back. Damn it. I'm wondering if I should just take out the shininess altogether and just add like a fake sparkle to it. It's really hard to control. And then if I have bloom on, it's gonna go nuts. All right, so how does this weather event listener? I can just copy and paste this. I can copy component, paste component as new. Get rid of this mesh collider. I don't need it. Oh wait, no, I do need it. I do need it. Stay. And that should just work. That should just work. Now it gets snowy. Oh, and I gotta rebake the nav mesh. I have to rebake the nav mesh and move the zone in spot. Bake. Shark with arms. That I don't have to worry about right now, but the zone in. So this should be here. Yeah. And I'm wondering if I should add like an interim zone. Just like a little zone that's just, you go in, you go out. There's nothing really there. Just a way to like make it feel like you're traveling a long distance. Maybe you go up some switchbacks. Oh, the weather system is gonna be a total pain in the butt. Actually, it's not. If I wanted this to be snowy in the spring, all I have to do is say weather, swap material. In spring, throw on the snow. Yeah, actually, it's super easy. No, it's not super easy. Oh, it's not super easy. Because all this vegetation, all the vegetation in the zone would have to have its own custom shader. All right. It's possible. It's just a pain. I like the idea. I'm not going to do it right now, though. All right. Did the nav mesh work? Yes. And what's the other thing I need to do? That's it. I'm going to run back and see what it's like. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Maybe I'll put the trees in right now. Where are the trees? Where's my tree wall? Did I delete it for some reason? Decorations, visitor center. I deleted the tree wall. That was silly. Tree wall. Mixed tree wall. Ooh, maybe only pine trees up here. Pine tree wall. Where are they? Where are the trees? What happened? What happened? Pine tree old. This renderer uses static batching. Okay. Where are the trees? Where them trees at? Do they have... Oh, wait, there's no mesh filter. What's going on here? If I click into this, there it is. Pine tree old. This must have overrides in the... Here, revert. There we go. Weird. Very strange. But yeah, I don't think there's going to be like maple trees and stuff up here. Maybe I'll put this here. And another one. And then where else do I need one? Need one here. So now you can't go down there. And then I guess that looks kind of stupid. Maybe I'll put some here too. It's so random. Just these square patches. Put one up here. All right, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make a new veggie spawner definition so that there's only pine trees and there's tons of pine trees down here, but none up here. That's what I'll do. Yes. Ah, crap. I put them in the wrong scene. All right, so what do I got to do for that? Click this, grab areas, town. I want a new one, so I want to copy slope. This one's slope trees. The density on this one is going to be really high. No. They're not. Which one of the pine trees? Here we go. And then the weight. Let's add a lot of pine trees. And then I need to go to here and say veggie spawn, vegetation, spawn zone. Oh, that's right. I need to select all of them that aren't the top ones. I can't do that. Crap. Clear. I can't do that. I'll just have to do it to all of them. Veggie spawn. Vegetation spawn zone. And then undo those. So now these all get the palette slope trees. I'm gonna have to put these ground planes in a group of their own so I can easily select them again. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9. Oh my god, how many are there? Okay. Now these get no trees. Slope no trees. And then veggie spawn. Maximum density, I'll say, is still 2. And populate. Okay, cool. So there's way more pine trees now. Oh, I guess I don't want them here either. All right, fine. One, two, three, four. No trees. Veggie spawn, populate. There's still trees because of the paths. It's so annoying. All right, this is where the tool needs to improve. Oh, also, we have to update the elevation of Alpine Lake. Do we actually? Yes. Every new follow increases the elevation. Any Unity people know how to add a right-click context script? Like if I wanted to write a method that's like assign to selected, where I click this, the method runs on like where I can get, I know how to get the array of the selection, but I want like the method to pass what is being clicked on as well. Unity people, raise your hands. Like I want to select these ground planes and just right click assign. Sobi, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Elevation, how are ya? We are very close to our follow goal. Oh god. We gonna hit it this stream? Not stopping until we hit 1700. I can write that script, right? I can write that script. World looks beautiful there. I appreciate it. Welcome in. Something about the wireframe on shaded makes it look better than it is because it gives it like that cartoon outline shader for free. I like it with the outline. Can I just can this be my shader? Let's just Google it. Right click on project objects method? No, that's the worst Google search ever. Right click on a project object. Reverse the action of clicking right mouse button. I didn't even put in Unity. Add right click context function. Unity. C#. Simplest way to add an option to right click menu. Context menu. Add a context menu named do something in the inspector of the attached script. It's not quite what I want. Context menu. But that's if I wanted to do it here. I guess what I could do is select these. See, that's the thing. I want to select these ground planes. The thing I want to affect is inside of it. So I can't really add one to here. I mean, I could just add it to like transform or something. That'd be really stupid though. I want to add it here. Let's try again. Let's try again. To like scriptable object. I don't know. Add a custom create context menu items. I'm looking to create a custom menu item under the right-click context menu to create a custom file with certain contents. You can use the context menu, the menu item, adds a custom menu option to the main toolbar in Unity now. Create asset menu, which can create an instance of a scriptable object in your assets folder. That's not it either. When right-clicking a mono behavior. Ugh. I could add it to this. I could just have an array. That's what I'll do. I'll have a button here that's like grab selection. It'll grab the array of vegetation spawners of your selection. And then I'll have another button that says assign main definition to array. Okay. That's what I'll do. Veggie spawn editor. Gucci. That emote is so freaky. So public. Oh wait, areas. I already have areas. So I guess I just need a button that's like grab selection only. Public void grab selection only. And then I'll make a list and then convert it to an array, I guess. Areas equals new list veggie spawn. Why can't I make a list? Am I crazy? What? Am I a crazy person? Why can't I make a list? Non-invocable member list T cannot be used like a method. Oh, whoops, I'm an idiot. Yeah, I am an idiot. So for each, how do I get the selection? Unity get selection. Selected, right? Selection. Yo, hef. Active context returns the current context object. No. Game objects returns the actual game object selection. Includes prefabs non-modifiable objects. So it's selection dot game objects. For each game object in selection dot game objects. And then I want to get, well, I want to if try get selected obj dot try get component. Is there a try get component in children? No, just get components in children. Yo, Kilika, how are ya? I'm glad I caught you this morning. All those Final Fantasy mods look really crazy. I want to try them out. Can you install those on a Steam Deck? I want to put that on my Steam Deck. Try get component. No, there's no try get component in children. Finn, 10 stream shriek. Finn, thank you. I'm too good for you. That's so egotistical to say. You're supposed to let other people say you're too good for them. Like Kilika is supposed to say, Finn, you're too good for booyah. You're not supposed to say it about yourself. That instantly makes it not true. How are you, Finn? See, we do a compliment sandwich, though. See, we end it with a nice shout out for Finn. Sue me. Unless you don't think you could win, which you couldn't because I'm too good for you. I couldn't win because you're married to a lawyer. All good, thanks. And yeah, they should work on Steam Deck. The launcher for them is called Seventh Heaven. Can you like send me a link? Get components. Children? Get components in children. For veggie spawn area in. Get components in children. Veggie spawn area. Is that how programming works? Yeah. For each a jolly good fellow. Areas.add. Area. Okay. We're getting somewhere. And then areas. Excuse you. Areas equals areas.toArray. Beautiful. It's okay. She's not that kind of lawyer. Barza Noki, how's it going? I'm sure she can make it work. She knows more than me. I would never sue you, Finn. Button size. Button sizes. Gigantic. Of that. Okay, so now I have a button that grabs only the selected areas. And oh, the other thing I want to do is I only want to grab them from from if they're in the active scene. That's what I want. Main definition. Can I filter this by active scene? I guess I need to make this a list. That's it. We're going list. I hate arrays. For each. Oh, wait. I'll just get whatever the last one is. If area dot game object dot scene does not equal scene dot act get. No. How do you get the active scene? I forget. Scene manager dot active get active scene. Return. I've been waiting to do this for a very long time. Else area dot add area. All right. Oh, I would definitely sue you, just so you know. You hate arrays. That's out of order. I just prefer lists. Anytime I'm like, oh, I'll be super performant and I'll make an array instead of a list. 5 seconds later, I need to reorder it or add to it or subtract from it or just freaking arrays, man. So here I can just say areas equals new list. Areas dot clear, or I'll just say equals new list. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? I already did that. And then do that. And I don't care if it's in our main scene or not, because I'm explicitly selecting them. Lists are arrays. I know they are. I just love all that convenience. I'm constantly using it. Count. Well, that's annoying. The fact that it's not length, it's count. And I never remember which one's which. Not a single time have I ever remembered. Virtue, thank you for the hydrate. Can you hear how parched I am? Also, don't make fun of me for using the word parched. Public void, assign, how about this? Assign definition to selection. And I kind of want a widget here that I want a widget here that shows me the selection. I might make that. Yes, it's frankly disgusting. Ouch. I will say I was very hyper in your stream today. Like I woke up, like I said, I couldn't sleep because I've had a few drinks last night, and I was just like, you know what? It's 6 a.m. Let's wake up. Laying in bed, uncomfortable, is doing me no good. And I grabbed a coffee from the fridge, and I was just ready. I was just ready to cause chaos. I was a little gremlin in your stream. So I deserve all this. It's true. It's true. Area dot definition? Is it protected? Palette. Oh, it's different. Oh, got it, got it, got it. Okay, that's actually better. It's palette, not main definition. Area.palette equals main definition. Okay. How was the rest of your day, Finn? And that's it. That's what I wanted to do. So now I could say you, and you, and you, and you. Wait, do I have an error? Grab selection only. There it is. And you, and you, and you, and you, and you. Wait. Back. Grab selection only. Change this to slope. And then, oh, damn it. I didn't expose the button. I hope I don't lose my selection. I looked after the cat and went back to work. Very nice. My wife is getting very aggressive about wanting a pet again. Anytime we walk past a pet store, she's like, "Can we just go in? Let's just go look at them. Oh, look how cute they are." And I'm just like, I don't want another pet right now. I don't want another pet right now. Please don't make me get another pet right now. Don't get me wrong. I love pets and I want another one. Just not right now. Grab selection. Assign definition to selection. Populate. Oh, no, that didn't work. It didn't work. Pourquoi? Nausea. Let's just print it. Grab selection. Assign. Assigning veggie spawn palette slope to veggie spawn zone. Great. And it's doing it to those things. That's great. And then clear. Oh no. Oh, did I just clear this? No. Nothing's clearing now. Nothing works. What the heck? I broke it. I broke it. Clear all areas. Why? Clear all areas. Oh, wait a minute. Uh-oh. Oh, that's why. So I always grab the areas before. Huh. Clear all areas. I grab them. I say, if the area's scene is not the active scene, return. Well, debug, .log, area.gameObject.scene. Scene manage. Get active scene. Oh, wait. This is the editor. How do I know what's the active scene in the editor? Get active scene in editor. The currently active scene. Scene manager.get active scene. It is exactly what I'm doing. It's a function. Yeah. All right, let's try this again. Excuse me. Amount of processed bytes does not match. What? I keep getting this script and I don't know what it is. Doesn't seem good. Clear. Unity engine. Damn it. Dot name. Dot name. Thanks for telling me that these were scenes. Guess there's no string override. Oh, we crashed. Dang. Unity went goodbye. What time is it? 5:40. Oh, excuse me. The window crashed. Uh-oh. Still opens. That's good. So clear. Base station. Base station. Main game scene. Main game scene. It only did it twice. Huh? Why did it only do it twice? There's like hundreds of these. Grab areas. Oh, I'm returning. I want to continue. Oh, I'm such a fool. Such a fool. Clear. There we go. Populate. Okay. So this, I'll just do it on 1 and see if it works. This has the palette of slope trees. If I select this game object and I go slope, and then I go grab selection only, and then assign definition to selection. Now if I look at this, it's got slope. Yeah. And then populate. Oh, there we go. That worked. So I wish there was a way to solo. Like I want to hide all except the stuff I'm clicking on. I guess I could just do this. Hide, 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 hide. Clear. Spawn. Okay, so grab selection. I want slope. Assign. Cool. Bring everything back now. I'll populate. Okay, cool. No trees. Great. Fantastic. It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. Oh, I guess there is an easy way to do that. Hide all. And then unhide the one thing I need. That tree I don't mind. Now there's no trees here. And then I can play with this stuff freely. Oh, you know what I also want to do? I wanted to add the lake here. I wanted you to be able to see the lake. Maybe I will get rid of these cliffs and just have lake. The game's called Alpine Lake. You barely see the lake. Let's do it. Let's show some lake. Maybe it's not important right now. Maybe put the bear in the lake. Maybe. This looks very stupid. And then have it rise majestically from the water, handing out Excalibur to those who dare run. You silly. You silly Finn. All right, 1, 2, selection. Remove, slope, define, populate. Boom, they're gone. I like this. I love making tools. Just makes life better. Gotta go for a run. Can't start working on anything. Kev, enjoy your run. Is the tortoise still trapped on the rock in the lake in the main town? It's a good question. It's a good question, Kilika. I think so. I think our little turtle's still trapped upside down. I'm so conflicted about the turtle. I used it in a stream the other day, like the emote. And someone actually... No, that was this morning. And someone said something. There he is. He's still on his back. Sorry, Kilika. Wait, I have LODs on these? I didn't know that. Stop listening to people, you'll end up with a camel. If I keep listening to people, I'll end up with bear romance. Slip tree. So if I want way more trees, I go bonk. And then I go bonk. Bonk. Yeah, look at that. That's a lot of trees. This area is a little thick, a little dense. It's cool. This will make for a nice screenshot right here. Just like exactly, we have shit ideas. No. Honestly, a lot of the good ideas have come from you all. I don't know what this game would be like if I wasn't streaming it, and I wonder how far along I'd be. Like, would I have given up? I don't think so. Coach Ripkins, first time chatter, welcome in. From last night to tonight, it looks like amazing progress. I appreciate that. I will sleep well tonight because of that. I never know if I'm making good progress. Thank you. How are you? This again, these pools. Why are these pools gotta be here? Oh, I know why they're... I know why. It's because I had a different scene as the main scene. All right, what else goes here? I need fences. I need like those mesh fences, I guess. And they need to like go up the slope. That means I need I basically need to lock in what the height or what the slope is. Maybe I just need to model it directly on it. Surge, how's it going? How am I gonna put stuff on the slope? I don't want to make some kind of tool that does it. That's too much. I was making pasta. That sounds good. Careful talking about food. It's usually the fastest way to end the stream. I get hungry. Need to sort through my mail. Don't like this? What don't you like? Hmm. What else can go here? Let's look at some more reference. That's a crazy building. New Zealand ski season? Finn, you didn't tell me. You didn't tell me that there was a New Zealand ski season. Me neither. What are we not liking? I don't know. I'm waiting. Waiting to find out. Yes, it's in winter. You didn't tell me, though. That's a cool place. Skiing chairlift. I don't know. I don't know what I'm looking up anymore. Do I have photos? I think I have photos. Look at my own photos. I have photos from the top of the mountain looking down. I don't have photos of the base station. Really? I have this. This was the only one I took. Can't really see what's over there. It's from the parking lot. I took a picture of this, which is the slopes are right behind me. I'm facing the wrong direction right now. But this was cool. They were just doing donuts in the snow. You can see the tracks over here. There was a whole Subaru event for some reason. So here's the chairlift. Yeah, it's just fences. I mean, these flags are specific to the event. I can add flags, but for no reason. And just these fences. Winter is good where there's no civilization, but in the city it's terrible. It depends on the city. Sketchy Wolf, have a good night. I used to live in New York and it wasn't so bad. It was fun. I liked it when it snowed. It's interesting how snow stays clean after car oil and exhaust gases. Yeah, I guess it wasn't doing it too much. All right, let's make a fence. How am I gonna make these fences? It's a very detailed object. Those mesh fences. I gotta kind of have to make a low poly version of it. And I think I need to model it directly on this terrain because I'm not gonna make a procedural fence system right now. This is not happening. Hmm. Let me make a new scene actually. So scenes, terrain, special props? Nah. Level decorations. This is the base station. 01. And then I can basically delete everything except the slope. And that one plane. Wait, let's just make sure. What's this one plane? Yeah, this is my guide. Hide that. Keep that. Hide these. Delete that. Nope. Delete that. Okay. So this is a 4x4. Q Mezu, how are ya? Can't stay long. Hope you have an amazing stream. Q Mezu, thank you. If you are streaming, I hope you have an amazing stream too. I kind of want to bring in the terrain. I could. It wouldn't be that hard. Is this scaled at all? A little bit. All right, so I had this at 1.5 and this at 1.15. Let me bake that. I just want to make sure it's perfect. 1.5, 1.15. So this is what I'm working with here. Okay. This should have perfect parity. I won't freeze it though, because not yet. Not ready yet. All right, so how am I gonna make this fence? It could just be like this. So width like 4, height 1, 40, nope, 10, 40. $11. Can I just like select every other one? Is this crazy? Yeah, it's kind of stupid. Maybe I just make it transparent. Maybe I don't poke a hole in it. Maybe I just make it a little transparent. Like I just... 200. And I could just do a little cloth sim on it. How many polygons is this? It's a little high. It's a little high res, but you know, I think I can get away with it. Have you worked with a Blockbench? I haven't. I've heard of it. Someone's mentioned it before. But I have not. Where the hell am I looking? Display, heads up display. Poly count. All right. 400 polygons for this. It's a little high. Let's say 38. That's better. So what if I turn it into cloth? Just do a little cloth sim. Just a tiny little cloth sim, you know, nothing complicated. And I'll pin these. Constraint. Transform constraint. Why did that happen? There we go. And then make it real stretchy. Dynamic. Stretch resistance 1. Stretch resistance 0.1. Bend resistance 0.01. 0.1. Also the nucleus. Scale attributes. Space scale 0.01 because it's very big. Yep. And use plane. It's a little wrong, isn't it? Trying to make a city builder in Unity, and I've fallen over at the first hurdle. I need to make a grid system and forgotten. Professor Val, how are you? You need to make a grid system. So you probably need like a manager that is a 2D array. And you probably want each spot to be a node. And a node is just an object that knows what its neighbors are. Just a simple array of neighbors. And you start there, and that's it. That's all you need. Oh, wait, I need the self collision to be full surface and like kind of thick. 5. Whoa. 0.1. Why is it so perfect? Oh, you know what I should do? Okay, I know what I should do. 0.1. Maybe the thickness. Oh, self-collide thickness. That's what I need. 5. There we go. I need way more frames. Too floppy. Come on, break. Why is it so perfect? There's 0 forces going left or right, so it's just not doing it. Nucleus, just put some wind, I guess. Let's give it some wind. Oh, the wind's in X. There we go. Oh my god. Close. So stupid. For city builders, they need to work in a grid type system. City Skyline, SimCity. I'm being dumb, I know, but still trying to work it out. I did it before, but I can't remember how. Yeah, that's not an easy kind of game to make. It's friction. Blow over, blow over. There we go. Still too stretchy. Point 0.7, 0.7. Maybe it is. Maybe 1 is a good number. I should probably make a bunch of these. How about no wind and I'll just make turbulence? Maybe that's the magic thing. Fields, turbulence. Oh, that's funny. It's working, but at such a tiny level. So maybe what I do is I like make one, duplicate it, reset, change settings, make another, duplicate it. Settle down now. And this should probably set key. Set key should just dissipate. Just needs to like give it a push. It's kind of right. All right, we got another one. Whoa. Oh, that was weird. I'm like, that is an infinite jazz playlist. How is it stopping? Here's another one. Maybe one that's like a little more taut. Just like that. And how about, wait, can I see this self-collision thickness? Off. Whoa, it doesn't like that. It doesn't like that. Go back, go back. Yeah, there's not many ways this thing can flop over. All right, maybe that's all I need. So we got these many. And what if I poly reduce them? Because they are kind of heavy. Kind of heavy. Modeling. Mesh. Retopo. So they are 480 each. What if I say make them like 100? Apply. It doesn't like that. Apply. Okay. That's cool. What if instead of retopo, I remesh it? Apply. I should have hit save. That was dumb. That was my bad. I might have to do this all over again. Please finish. Please finish without crashing. I have zero faith that it's not going to crash. Oh, thank God. Save. What did it even make? What? What? It made like a 5 million polygon thing. Automatic? What? No. Go back. Undo. Undo. Thank you. What is this number? Collapse threshold 20%. I thought it would be 20% of the total polygon count. That is clearly not what it is. Or reduce. All right, we'll do reduce 50%. That's kind of fine. 50, 50, 50, 50. Can we do it again on this one? Yeah. It's gets a little lame, but kind of works. It's fine. Two-side lighting. All right, cool. So how do I... Oh, wait. I should have done the UVs first. What are the UVs? Oh, okay. They're good. Oh, they're totally fine. This might be the only texture I have in the game. Maybe. Oops. Is it throwing an error sometimes? That's fine. All right. So how do I get that cool mesh look? I could do something like grid. Bong. And I say transparency. Turn that off. Turn that on. And then say 50 by 50. This by this. That's cool. And then I reverse it for the spec. Maybe make the lines a little thicker. That's cool, right? Make them orange. Huh. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Whoa, what the heck is this? Oh, wow, the normals. Conform, conform. What? Reverse? That didn't work. Conform. Is that just the texture? What is happening? Number one. Oh, God. What the hell? Reverse. Is this a normals thing? Unlock normals. Soften edges. Unlock normals. Set normal. This is so freaky. What is going on here? This is weird. Lighting? Use two sides. Reverse. I am stunned. This should be a little thicker because, you know, it's got to be stylized. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't look this way in game, so I don't have to worry about it, but it's very strange. What if I say new material, Lynn? Whoa, what's this guy? Who are you? Face. All right, it did flip that one. I'm totally stumped. What if I reset my viewport? OGS reset? Nope, didn't do anything. Evil Rex. What does that button do? Oh, yeah. Shout out to Aaron. I just remembered. 2 hours later. Rex, I'm sorry. Do you stream? Did I know that? Did I not know that? You don't. I've tried everything to turn this PC to be English only. It straight up refuses. It's like I have a Japanese version of Windows installed and there's no getting rid of all of it. Norton is gonna screw me, isn't it? Where are you, Norton? How do you close it? Open up my Norton. What if I open it now? Can I uninstall you? Notifications. Special offers, no. Silent mode, yes. Suppresses alerts and suspends background activities. Thank God. Where's Rocket League? All right, everyone. We're going to take a Rocket League break. Thank you, Rex. Should I play 120 FPS or bust? What is that? Okay. Exotic drop. Ooh. Ooh, what's all this fun stuff? How do you open it? I forget. Trade in. Manage inventory. Blueprints. Item shop. Oh. How do you open those things? Garage. Oh, here we go. That's fun. Okay. Ooh, I like that one. Okay. I'm going to equip that one. Exotics. Polyglot, how's it going? Started playing Rusty's Retirement yesterday. Totally hooked. Nice. Those are cute wheels. I like mine, though. How many of these do I have? Those are pretty cool. But I like mine. Is this a bug? I only got one. Oh, those are fun. This seems like a bug. Okay. Okay, now I can't do it anymore. Oh, it said I have 4. I see. Ah, forget. I don't care. I don't care. Should I play ranked or should I play casual? Let's play competitive. Let's see if we can somehow play enough matches in one season to get a score. I doubt it. I doubt it happens. How's Rusty's Retirement though? That's the game that just sits at the bottom of your screen, right? Can the game 100% play itself? Whoa, I have 11 ping? That's never happened. Oh, why did I do that? Ah. Oh, no. Yay. It's super relaxing. You still need to interact with it once in a while. Yeah, a lot of those games are coming out nowadays. Ooh, punished. Miss. Oh, wow. I can't believe I blew that. I just gave him the open net. That was stupid. Just kind of went for boost. I got a little overconfident. Bad shot. I gave it to him again. Dumb. Wow, he got me good. Wow, oh no. I can't believe I couldn't take advantage of that. That was risky. This game's over. Oh, he tricked me. Can't believe it. I can't believe it. I have no boost. I mean, it's over anyway. All right. Thank you, Rex. Quit. Did you see Adobe have gotten rid of the credits for substance assets and also removed the higher tier requirement for access to the models and HDR lights? I heard you talking about that on your stream, and that sounded interesting. I don't have substance, so I don't really know how their asset system works. I didn't know it was a point system. I didn't even know they had an asset store. I would try to help you uninstall and fix language, but I do not think you care enough to wait through the diagnosis phase. No, not really. All right. And with that, maybe we call it. Maybe we call it. Find someone to raid. My wife should be home soon. Should we pile on? Val just got like 3 raids. We can pile on that. All right, everyone. Let's do some credits. I said I wasn't going to stop streaming until I hit 1,700 followers, but we're 2 away. Not going to get it. That's okay. Get it next time. Two stalkers left. I know. Hadouken. How's it going? All right. Well, we did get some new friends today. Sobe, Ark, Curly Games, Shaw. Thank you for the follows. Finn, thank you for modding. Coffee Then Code and Luke Wolf Games. Thank you so much for those raids. Really appreciate everyone hanging out with me. Got some good work done today, I think. Let's see. When was the last time I raided Foul? It was a very long time ago. A month ago. It was a total month ago. Of course we're going to raid Foul. All right, everyone. Let's go say hi to Foul. This is what he's working on. Let's go make some noise. No raid message. Scream whatever you want. Have a great rest of your day. Have a great rest of your evening, wherever you're at. I'll be back tomorrow. Same time. Probably. And then tomorrow's stream will be the last one for a little while. I'm away until Thursday. So maybe next Thursday I'll come back. But tomorrow's going to be the last one. All right, everyone. Have a good one. Catch you later. Peace.